Welcome back guys to the Fxpub. Today you are going to see a trade breakdown that I took on EUROUSD, a short sell in the London session using very simple concepts that you are going to see. So without wasting any time, let's jump on the charts. So as you guys can see on the screen, you can see the EUROUSD chart on the daily time frame on the Forex.com broker. This is by the way tradingview.com. So on the daily time frame you can see on the Friday we took out the previous day high and we melted, and this is the NFP Friday. So price just melted, and after that on Monday I have not traded the Monday it tends to the bearish side, closed here, and I traded this candle. You can see now on daily time frame we mark up some things. We have a daily fair value gap here, so from where we can expect the internal range liquidity to external range liquidity. But on 4-hour time frame, if you can see, we have some imbalances. This is the daily time frame fair value gap, and if you can see here we have the 4-hour fair value gap nested inside the daily time frame fair value gap, and the one is this, and there is one more. And dropping out on the lower time frame, you can see what we have now. We have previous New York session high as liquidity that already been swept, previous London session high or relative equal highs that just swept, and what we have more in that, if you see on this Asia session we have this 1-hour fair value gap. So now we have many things to look for. We are almost reaching on the London. So this is London open. Now I have just gone a little far away, just make it back. So if you can see, by the way, this is a session indicator, that is not a buy sell thing. My Asia session is 8 p.m. to 12 p.m. I don't trade Asia, I trade London and New York, that is 2 a.m. to 5 a.m, 7 a.m. to 10 a.m. So if you can see here, we are currently, if we go lower, we are swiping down the Asia high, tapped on the 1-hour fair value gap, and seems it is rejecting, but we are not taking the current, we are not going to take this trade directly from this zone. We need some kind of confirmation, the structure break. See, they tapped once again, swipe the highs, currently they are just going up, seems rejecting, they swipe again the high, and what now happening? We made a shift in structure, and if you go on 5-minute time frame, you can see a shift in structure was there, and also one there, the major chop is here or market shift, and we leave what? We leave a fair value gap on 5-minute time frame. One is this and one is this. So, but there is a thing, we still have a 4-hour fair value gap above though, so this could be the case that they came here, swipe the Asia low, and then they can push to the upside. So we need some more confirmation. So now as you can see, they are still melting, they swipe the Asia low. Now for me it became a less probable trade because they swipe the first target for me, and if you see, if I go on 15-minute time frame, what we can see, they swipe the Asia low, but here is a thing, they created a 15-minute fair value gap. So what we can expect, that price can come as internal range liquidity into this fair value gap and then can push to the downside. So if we are expecting this, what could we target? We can target this low. We could target this low, or we could target this low. But we don't just target this low. We need some more things. If we go on the hourly time frame, you can see there is an imbalance below. So this low is high probability for me, high probability that this is going to be taken. So what I do, I go on the 15-minute time frame and you can see there is a fair value gap, but the thing is our first drawn liquidity has already been swept, and so if we are going lower from this fair value gap, we need some sort of confirmation on the 1-minute time frame, like a structure break kind of things. And you can see if we go lower, this is our 15-minute time frame fair value gap. They are pushing lower. What does we need? Now they tapped in on our 15-minute fair value gap. We need to see some kind of rejection from here. And if you can see, currently they are respecting this fair value gap. They also respected this structure. They break the structure to this upside. They swipe the shallow, break the structure to the upside. Currently they are going towards the bullish side. So for the bearish side, they need to show some bearish signals like a shift in structure or the change in state of delivery by making a fair value gap or some kind of activating some kind order blocks. So if you can see, currently they accumulated the orders, swiped the low, rejected to the upside. They are still going to the upside. Now we can say if they break lower, then this down close candle would be our breaker block. If they closed below this low, why? I will zoom in and tell you. There is a high that has swept, and if they close below, retested that, this down close candle, the largest body, would be our breaker block, from where we can expect the bearishness, and it would be amazing if we leave a fair value gap here. So let's see. They are currently rejecting. Okay, it swiped the low, closed within the range. This is not enough. Still we are inside the range. They closed inside the range again. Now they have made some sort of bearishness. Okay, now they closed below. So what I have done, I have put my limit here. Stops was above the highs. Let me check. Stops was almost here, if I'm not wrong. I will show you the entry and just targeted this. It was my almost 2 hour. So stops was above there. On some accounts I entered with market order, and some accounts I entered with limits. On those accounts I entered with market order, I got slipped around here, so I just got a little bit less profit. So if you can see, I got entered after this, and if you can see, we started melting. So we got our TP and we secured our 2 hour. On TradingView it is showing the 2.28 hour, but on my broker my stops was above here due to some spread kind of things, I have to make some buffer here. So due to that, considering that I almost got 2 hour on my position. So if I show you this trade on the 1 hour time frame, it's look like something like this. So the entry was almost here. I will also show you the proof, and targeted this low with this fair value gap. So if you can see, my entry was here. If you see that candle, entry was here, and I took my position out at inside this fair value gap or at this low. This was my TB, if you can see, and this was my position. EUROUSD sell 0.41 position size. That was my commission. That was my overall TP 2 hour trade. So yeah, that was the overall trade, and I even show you the proof that I took this trade. I'm not like somebody else just showing the trading view things and not even taking this. The thing I'm teaching here or telling you, I'm taking this personally on my accounts, on my challenge account. So if you want some more trade recaps or some more educational content, just tune in future. You are going to see so many things, so many I have listed. I'm recording slowly one by one. I will post them on YouTube, and if you are not on following me on social media, just follow here, because I'm going to post there the daily buys kind of things there, because I can't be able to post on YouTube them. So I will post there on stories by making these kind of things. For future content, just tune in. We have lot more to show you, and I took this trade on the Blueberry account. So if you guys want some trading bonus, 50% trading bonus, low spread, low commission, just sign up using my link down in the description below, and you will get the best offer that you can get from these brokers. So until that, bye bye. See you guys in the next video. See ya.